Shebada, somebody asked if it 3 step before you.
Plain ramping YouTube.
Trishauna see her money. She said she don't want no house.
Alright, welcome. Welcome to the countdown. Alright. Yeah. Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. Yes, another one just like that. So you know, say Mother's Day was, you know, going, what am I saying? Mother's Day go on Sunday, and some of you say happy belated Mother's Day to all of the people who are watching right now, just in case we never tell you and we never see the post on the channel. Into who we have a good countdown to get into, so let's get right into it.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, him cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Spicy Mother's Day. Me tell you here, so dancehall queen, lady, look how many I say. So the queen of dancehall, queen of stage, Spice, celebrated Mother's Day recently, and boy, people, you know Spice now ran for put up a little video on her page to show how she can connect and relate to people. And this video, people, with her pitney, her 2 kids them, you know, what you call it, like serenading her for Mother's Day, it was quite.
You taught me everything you gave me. I always think it inside.
Oh, look.
You're the driving force in my life. Yeah, he isn't anything or anyone that I can be, and it just wouldn't feel right. Yeah, if I didn't have you by my side. Ooh, you were there for me to love and care for me when skies were gray. Whenever I was down, you were always there to comfort me. And no one else can be what you have been to me. You will always be the girl in my life for all times. Mama, Mama, you know I love you. Mama, Mama, you're the queen of my heart. Loving you is like tears from the stars. Mama, I just want you to know. Mama, I just want you to know. Loving you is like food to my soul. 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 Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Thank you. Oh my God. This is so sweet. This is so precious to me. Thank you.
Yes, so when you look on the video now, you can just really tell say Spice move to tears because every day is Spice a ball. Me this that ball looking on the video and how our kids like embraced her. Really a touching moment. And me personally, I just love to see Spice when she's off stage. You get to see the real person, the human outside of the one that skin out and you know, there's something there. Well anyway, burritos, let me know what you thought about it. Sound off below. Number 9, no distancing. Me gongo peas. So only know said the government of Jamaica has been trying to put out a lot of messaging as it relates to the practice of social distancing. People must stay at least 6 feet apart and them look something there when they occupy public spaces, just any space in particular. But it look like so them Jamaican people here never did take heed to the warnings when they had decided to converge right out of the pavilion at Western Union for collect them money. Pray!
Step back! Start stepping back! No, one step back! Start stepping back!
No, sir, Jesus, P, no. All of the efforts them where we are trying to kind of keep the spread. When you see what going with Alarica, I mean, if you tell me, say, them little one back a group up something you're going with, do better, Jamaica. Do better. Woo. What you have to say, readers, about this? One word for describe it. Number 8, Sean Paul Capital Extra. Me go please. So, dancehall artist, I should say international artist, Sean Paul recently was on Capital Extra where they were interviewing him and asking him to correct some of the fans' lyrics. Now, Sean Paul have hits for about 2 decades, 20 odd years in the industry. And this man, you know, him have some popular song like Give Me the Light, and trust me, when people sing it, especially the foreigners them, they tourists them like get the lyrics them right. Praise some of the corrections that Sean Paul had to make.
This one first. The gal them stole our tea. Wow. Fight me lemon, farty, narty, shark tea. I'm saying actually in this, the gal them Skilacci. Back in the day, there was an Italian footballer called Skilacci in Jamaica. Like, yo, if you're good at what you do, you're a Skilacci. I'm good at the ladies. Fight me Lennon, farty, sharty, sharty is actually 5,040,000 naughty, shorty. I was referring to the amount of fans that I presume that I had worldwide.
Alright, well, let me know, Berritos, what you think about it. Is there any one Sean Paul lyric in particular that you always mess up? Sound off below.
Bless us now as we're about to go on this beach trip, Father God. Help us just enjoy ourselves, Father God. You are great. We thank you for every single thing, Father God. And in Jesus' name we pray.
Number 7, Romeich and Shenseea. My word, my sentence. So, Romeich, you know, say he is the person who discovered Shenseea. So, he was recently on an interview on a podcast with IB. And during the interview, he decided to share a little bit of background information on how he discovered Shenseea and what made this girl such a remarkable talent. Take a look.
Yo, I see all of my artists them as a product. So, it's like, you gotta look and see how the product can sell.
Yeah.
Alright. Shenseea thing was easy. As a promo girl, she was the most hardworking girl I've ever seen. Just have a picnic and come work for me. Picnic, our child is 2 months old and she's ready for work again. And this girl work Friday, Saturday for Romeich Entertainment, and Sunday when I call her and say, yo, you're good? Yes, but she's slightly tired. She's on her way to Manly for working for our next company. And she have her liquor youth. And then by 8 o'clock again, 9 night, she reach one and she that you see with the youth gone buy him ice cream or whatever. Them something they put her respect. You see, I remember the first dream weekend she do. Every one of the girls them get up and gone at them yard and she did there walk till the party done. Right? And if we have 15 back of service girl, she sell more than what the 14 add up together sell. Till all Moet. That a Jared them have to look to and give her a bonus because she sold the most liquor. So, brother, them something they show from then time that she work hard.
Yeah, they
so
work.
You know, so she work hard and then, here what the next thing, I'm going to put her in a studio because it was a WhatsApp something going on and she sing and I say, she sing alright. She not sound bad. Then, a couple of days after I see one broadcast put out, she a DJ one freestyle and I say, yo, the girl are bad enough. But you don't know I work, you hold it, you know, go jumpy. I put her in a studio and say, yo, write to the rhythm. At the time, she just start write. So she writes something and she go on and she go in there and she DJ and me laugh. I mean I say, I forget some training, but I say, you're not ready for this. Me I go about, you know, you know me harsh already.
Yeah.
But sometimes I just say, brother, me not tell this girl to come back no time at all. Let's tell her, say, go and go fix everything and come back. She leave 4 o'clock the evening and by 8 o'clock she there in the studio with the engineer and I never even know she's taking number or nothing. You know, me come and work, come to the song, ready and done. You know, when me go in there go hear the song, you know, this was jiggle, you know, brother. Rascal. I mean, so I so come back and I go to the door, dead with laugh, and I say, yes. And I just tell them, I just give her money and say, go on, no, man, me talk to you, man, I'm busy. And I call Conscience today, I call Taurus Riley, I call DJ Frost, I go on a Jordan, about 30 people I go to for the next 2 days and say, yo, how this sound? Man, I say, yeah, man.
You know, not just Romeich alone, me hear talk about this. I've been hearing this over and over again. So Shenseea have a particular work ethic that do normal. It is like above most of the men who are in the dancehall space. So if I saw Shenseea really stay, you definitely know say in the future it's gonna be very bright. You can get hits on top of hits like Meg Thee Stallion and Beyonce and Doja Cat and what's name? Nicki Minaj, the number 1 on the Billboard charts right now.
No, sir.
Number 6, truck driver. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. So, you must have seen this video. I think I saw it on Sparks page, ZJ Sparks page, where this youth, the brother here, look like say him past more than 10 years old, and in a one truck. And look.
Aye. 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 Hot, boo. Hot, daddy.
Well, when I realize, so the little youth there, him better than me because me can't even move one little tie car from point A to point B. When you look on the youth, like, I do not know, so I think somebody said that this is not in Jamaica. He's actually in St. Lucia. And him do them type of thing. They look like he was on a farm plantation type of settings, but the boy bad. So let me know, Burritos, what age you think you allow your child to drive? Practice drive. Sound off below.
This is Original Coffee and you're watching the Duttyberryshow. Duttyberry are coming like a rapture. Yeah.
Number 5, Govana Part 2. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. So, dancehall artist Govana dropped Part 2 of his Hamants Convo. Now, you know, so the first part where, you know, Chris really, one big clap, one big clown Govana take the youth for. So anyway, so there's Part 2 featured Dina Crazy again, comedian, IG star and all of these things. And we want to just like pre a little bit of the conversation.
The kid man Chris, walk one brother. They are in a Jenna. Reach back to New York in the devil weather. Yeah. Girl them feel up, it's the Jenna there. Yo, easy the Chris, mad thing as usual.
Okay, alright Govana. Once again, we say take Chris for a big entire clapping. Like, I do not know, like, how much, there's so many people about the place, and Govana just decides that I'm going to stick with all of Chris girl. Chris, they are fine right now and can't even sleep in peace, and the poor brother just ignorant. Him just fool. Like, him don't realize how I go. I don't know. Jesus peep.
Be a 10 grand US, me say that, nothing less. She a virgin, so you know the summer blessed. Virgin? Yeah, man, and me first touch your breast. Oh, you know she so cool.
People wanted to sound off in the comments. Are you a Chris? Have you ever met a Chris before? Call somebody name right now that is equally as much of a coffee as Chris. But before we go, I actually want to show a video from Dina Crazy, the one where it's up on him IG page and basically go out on a ball back for him love life. Pre.
Manala from you say you're a wicked girl, Marsha.
Where's the idea? Come on,
you're a wicked girl, Marsha.
Come on, come
if you have this place, you're ready with me.
Come on, come
on. I'm sticky.
Come on,
sticky. We not move.
Come on, come here.
Marsha, we're not moving. That's how I'm crossing.
Yo, brother, watch it for out of me yard, brother.
Marsha, you see, you're going to disgrace me out here, Marsha.
Every day you come and
Marsha,
tell me big music.
Marsha.
Marsha,
me love you. Marsha, me love you.
Come out,
you never find a man that can love you so yet, Marsha. You're a dude, man. So you're a wicked girl. You know, come out there, you know, Marsha. Now, all right. Marsha.
Number 4, CVM interview. So, I saw this interview this week, and it featured one brother. No, brother, like, let me just say, like, basically, him kind of ungrateful. So, you know, so the government, they have given out, I think, $10,000 to people who have been affected by the coronavirus once they fall into a certain bracket, right? And so, people them show up for collect the $10,000 so them can, you know, kind of get like groceries and what and look at essential stuff. So, this is what this man had to say about the money that he received. Pre.
10 grand is what? After a week time, 10 grand are done, man. What you gonna do till after then? You know? You gotta depend on the government again. Them to start out the thing right and done. You see me there? If I can send a 200,000 to a home or 100,000 to a home, yes. But 10 grand? Come on. You have to do better than.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Fair enough. The brother said he never wanted $10,000. He actually wanted 200,000 Jamaican dollars because that is what him feel the government should have give him.
Oh my God! Wow!
This is the third world country according to what them call like Jamaica. You expect say, the government must give all of you $200,000? Like, you know, like it would be nice. I guess it would be nice, but yeah, definitely not happen. What do you think, Burritos? Do you think he is ungrateful? Do you think there is merit to his concern? Sound off in the comments.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment. Well done. Before the girls them sexy and young. Run club. Sing along. Well then, pick up your friend.
Alright, so first up on the big up segments, I have to go and say RIP to Millie Small. You know her from the single My Boy Lollipop. Millie. Also, I want to say big up to Bounty Killer on his start to work through the Bounty Foundation. Yes, man, the man making sure that people get good, solid ground provision and all of these things in these corona times. So, you know, big up for that good effort. Also, I'm gonna big up my friend, Rochelle on her Inside Challenge. Yeah, man, it definitely shell. Where are they? Inside, inside. Inside. Go and big up the burritos who tuned into the last social media countdown and did what I asked to record themselves while they were watching the video and see them I get featured now. So if you want to get featured in the next social media countdown, record yourself watching and tag me on Instagram at TheDuttyBerryShow on the IG story. Alright? That's it for the big up segment. Number 3, little girl walk. Muskunji. So, you know, I saw this video now with this little girl now. Everybody knows that the kids are home now because no school now keep. And them have to do them little homework. And, you know, get them little information that them need. So by the time when school open up, them don't go back dunce and all of these things. So this young lady now, look like she in front of her parents now. And the stress and frustration is reaching her. But she not go down without a fight. My girl is very self-aware. Here is what she had to say about herself.
All in my mind is playing, ramping YouTube. I need to stop the ramping. I need to stop the playing. I need to stop the ramping.
Okay.
Everything I don't know, my friends know the word. Everything I don't know, I only have playing, ramping YouTube in my head.
You know, so when you look on the video, you can tell, say, this is what our parents have been telling her over and over again, and the girl just absorb it, and now she's releasing it into the ear, like, very much so, yeah, big of yourself, young lady, yeah, very, very aware. Number 2, Queenie versus Shibi. My cabbage patch. Oh, wow. So, you know, says, I think 2 countdowns ago, I mentioned the whole drama with Shebada and Intense. And now Shebada is back at it again with the new Instagram sensation, Queenie. No, boy, where do I even begin with this piece of story? So, Shebada was on live now, and during him live now, I guess people did request songs. And so some of his fans wanted to hear the Double Tap by Queenie.
When they see my picture, they might double tap. Double tap, they might double tap. They might wonder if I really clean that. When the chat, I may not take.
So after them kind of said the other song them want to hear now, Shebada decided to say him now want to play it because he is not a fan of the song and him not really understand why Queenie is even doing music.
But all a wickedness that, you know. See as Queenie is saying, a wickedness that, wickedness. And the height of wickedness that for have Queenie is saying. Hey, see my, yes sir. See my favorite song them here come up here now, people. My favorite song them here come up here now. Kiss out me nose all. See it here now. If I play a Queenie song, might as well play.
Oh wow, okay, alright. So when you look on this now, you can immediately just guess to yourself, just ask yourself, do you think that Queenie would take this lightly? Do you think she would just like be the bigger person and just like walk away and ignore all of this? Not a box foot, not the Queenie that we have come to know. So Queenie took to her social media on Instagram and decided say she is going to clap back at Shebada. And this is what she had to say.
But my granny always says scornful dog name dirty puddle. The last time I see you at Tottenham, I heard you look like Skull Dog, you look like you want beard. And you want to come disrespect me, Shebada? Me never mingle with you yet. You do your thing over your page or the trick. What the fuck I come talk about a wickedness for make 20 ton dog? I don't give me my voice, and God give me that and that. See, I like how God give you your talent. Fucking appreciate and don't yet your bad man. Is a bad man, you know, so you look like a steel hood. You get up on your class people every day, you're not even appropriate. Dress appropriate and look appropriate. Have some presentation, you don't come talk about girl shit are icky. Me I ain't a size, and I can't take my voice from me. My voice is all over the athlete. I'm telling that a million times. If I'm asking for play, I'm saying, you come disrespect me. Me I ain't a size in a Shebada, me ain't a wrap up. Shebada, you would not understand yourself. No up on me, stay in your lane. Me I do artist, I do acting. Long me Shebada, allow me.
So I'm glad that Queenie posted about 4 different times. She do a little video. She done him here and there.
Shebada, somebody asked you for play my song and you gonna come tell me for give your shit at Ikea and pass your place and I don't know what you're playing at, Shebada. But I never come says that's wickedness for Queenie on have Queenie a sing. I God have me a sing. See I like how God have you in a girl, God have you in a worm, have you in a bird, all kind of things where you had. What you grudge me for? Because I can't see period and you can't see period. Big chest me I deal with double D. You can't put in titty cause you have money can't put in titty. So under the big chest and the double D. Make sure you think before you trouble me, dirty, nasty, slime bag, germs bag.
But it kind of looked like she was being respectful about it. Because me, I said to myself, like, the Queenie where we really know, Queenie, she looked like she could have go a little bit further, like, you know, further below the belt, but she kind of hold it together. So anyway, I was very surprised when I saw this video with both of them on live, and it seems like everything is back in peace and harmony between the two.
We need to let the followers and the fans and the people them know that this is a special Mother's Day treat for requested for me and you to come together and unite for the ladies. So I know a lot of people supposed to intrigue in the day for see how you come together, cause
and me to tell you.
Regardless of remote, you know, we want to roll down the gully, we still need to stick by each other. You listen.
Queenie, you still have to thump me up.
No, but now bother lick you. Shebada, me now bother thump you, me now bother lick you. Me and your turn back friend, and I am so pleased because you know me not like war. Me just cuss. And from me let out the steam, me move on. So next part, we're going to work together as a team and be a stronger foundation in it. Me now thump you up again.
Your face look good. Your face look good, Queenie, today. Honestly to God, your face look really nice.
She said that, Debbie. I see always 6 me a week time.
Okay, alright. Well, I guess all's well that ends well. I guess there's no more drama. Me don't know if this was just something that they did, you know, like a fake drama for kind of, you know, excite up the little COVID times. I do not know, but it is good to see both of them together and, you know, I enjoy each other's company. So now what do you think about this whole entire debacle?
Insurance and the money no right pan it. Sharon in a Massasoota.
9,750.
Alright, Sharon in a Massasoota, Massasoota. Massasoota. Come in, remember. Come always say me I go try say it on camera. Massachusetts. Sharon in a Massachusetts. God, how make me can't pronounce that word there. And
number one goes to Trishauna, no! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay. So, why? I don't even know why I'm going to talk about this story because it just keeps on going on and on. So anyhow, I think sometime ago on the countdown, I did give a big up to Aunty Donna. You know, Aunty Donna, she has her charity where she gives back to people who are in need. She put them up on her Facebook page, and people who are abroad and here locally, they'll send items, whatever resources that is needed to help the individuals affected. So, this particular young lady by the name of Trishauna, I guess she went to Donna's program, and Donna did a video, reached out to her, and it was, you know, mentioned that she needed somewhere to stay so she can take care of her kids sufficiently. Take a look.
guys, Aunty Donna here down by Tel Aviv. Yeah. Aunty Donna go look for a young mother by the name of Trishauna Burke. Trishauna, we can come? Okay, and Trishauna Burke call Aunty Donna and say she look like assistance with little food for her 3 children. And you can open up the curtain, Trishauna. Say, this is where you live. Warning. Lift up the curtain for me now, please. And Trishauna's story sounds genuine. And by Trishana, sometimes when I cuss the young mother, them and I come and I son condition. Put in your breast, Lord God. Take in the breast.
So after that, now people decide they're going to, give her one bag of support. Money just a roll left, right, and center. It is alleged that she actually received over 800,000 Jamaican dollars from people just wanting to assist her. But when Donna showed up to the house now, apparently Donna must have got hearsay. She was receiving money from other people one away and wasn't informing Donna that she was getting all of these funds. And also, when she reached the young lady yard, she had man dead here hide underneath the bed. No.
To Trishana house. Banging on the door, bang bang, Trishana never answer. Then I bang again because the TV light was on. And I said, Trishana, it's Aunty Donna. She said, who that? I said, open the door, it's Aunty Donna. And I never hear any more answer. Guys, I stood there for like 20 minutes. Trishana not opening the door. Anyway, she come open the door, scantily clad. I said, when I went in there, I smelled smoke. So I said, Trishana, why are you in here? She said, she alone. So I opened the closet, then I don't see anybody. I'm looking at the bathroom closet, I don't see anybody. One man say look under the bed, I never see anybody. When I look under the bed, I see one man lie down under the bed. I said, the one man that under the bed, Trishauna, who that? It was not Trishauna, baby father.
How this affect the price of rice? I do not know, but Donna never like that at all because apparently must have would have look like say she had take the money what she get for go mind this other person. So yeah, social media run out pan her. Look at some of what people had to say.
Here Trishauna at this point. Period. What the hell she a do with wardrobe? What the hell she a do with wardrobe?
World for your bash, Miss Donna. If the girl have 3 pitney and have nothing for them yam nah drink and the woman rent room and put them on bed donation and buy bed and fridge. I know when I put up on Facebook so the woman now want the girl for.
If you empower and correct the needy, you can do so in a private space. You don't know what tomorrow hold, Aunty Donna. Suppose it were you. You're Christian. Know that you say? So what would Jesus do?
Well, Donna actually talked to her again, went on live, and got her to confirm that she no longer wanted the house and that she just wanted the money cash.
To explain to them why you say you want the money to bank and you want to do what?
Go back to school. I want to finish up my
and you say you like where you live.
I also want to work from there.
And what why you say you like which part there you live now?
Yes.
So you rather pay rent.
Then Trishauna took to social media now for to clear up her name and said that she no longer wants the cash, she actually wants the house.
Yesterday on the live, I made a total big mistake. The reason why I said I didn't want my house to build anymore, I wanted the money to bank and I would leave it in the bank, go back to school, get a little job and continue paying my rent. But I'm very sorry, I was moving too fast. I wasn't thinking because why I did said that Aunty Donna did said at the time that she was going to build any house for me no matter what because of the incident that she saw with the guy that came to me. Now I'm telling everyone because I don't want no one thinks I've taken them for granted and
right about this point I am just over this entire story. Like Trishauna, collect your help. Congratulations, you know, I'm so happy that you are going to get assistance, but I just hope say somebody can help you to work on your inner here so and here so because I feel that so I'm going to need a little straightening because no amount of money I'm going to be able to like develop that unless you take care of here so. Okay? Well, that is it, Berritos. We've come to the end of another social media top 10 countdown. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button. Do not itch. Hit the thumbs up button as well as to leave a comment down below. While leaving a comment, share the video on your page so that other people can see it and all of them things there, as well as to subscribe, especially if you are new to the channel. Okay? If you want to follow me, it is on social media. It is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok as well. If you want to email me to advertise in the social media countdown, it is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tuning to